How to fix a notification issue in Ubuntu. So let's talk about it. So sometimes you have seen that there will be notification at the top or at the bottom, and uh, sometimes the notification is not is appearing, and if any message you got and any notification you got from the browser, from the Skype and from other application, you will not get any information. So how you can fix this issue in the Ubuntu? So let's go to the settings, and basically you need to click here. Otherwise if you click here, then you will get this type of interface, and you need to go to the notification settings, notification section, and you just need to turn on this notification pop-up or lock screen notification. It means when screen will be locked, then you will still able to get a notification on your screen. So you can turn on and off according to your requirement, and from which application you want to get a notification you can also define from here. So you can see here that Skype, and then other like if you want to include any other application, you can also include it. So in this way you will able to get a notification. If you want to turn off a particular notification, you can also do these things. You just need to turn off this pop-up notification or lock screen notification, or if you want to disable for a specific browser, a specific application, then you can also do these things. So for example, for the Skype you don't want notification anymore, then just need to turn off this. You can see here there are lots of notification options are available, that like notification sound alert, means with the notification the sound alert will also come, like ting tong whatever, and then a notification pop-up will appear, and show message content and pop-up, lock screen notification, all these things you can manage all these things from here. So I hope you understand about the notification and how you can manage it in the Ubuntu. If you will face any problem, then definitely let us know. It might be different for the different version, different flavor of the Ubuntu, but the settings will be exactly it will be very similar. So I hope this will be work, and definitely just comment it out if you will face any problem.